Sunflowers have always held a special place in my heart, and it all started with my grandmother's garden. Every summer, I'd visit her home, and the first thing I'd see were these tall, golden sunflowers swaying gently in the breeze. They seemed almost magical, always turning their faces toward the sun, as if soaking up every bit of light and warmth. As a child, I remember running through that garden, my fingers brushing against the rough, sturdy stems. My grandmother would always tell me, "Sunflowers teach us to follow the light, no matter what." That little piece of wisdom stuck with me. Today, I'm painting those sunflowers, bringing back the memory of those sunny days. I start with the petals' bright yellow strokes that radiate joy and energy. Then, the rich brown center, filled with tiny, intricate seeds, like the heart of the flower holding all its strength. While I paint, I think of my grandmother's gentle voice and the way she nurtured those flowers with so much care. To me, they're more than just flowers, they're a reminder to stand tall, face the sun, and keep growing even in tough times. As the painting comes to life, I can almost feel the warmth of those summer mornings, the scent of fresh earth, and the sound of birds chirping in the garden. It's incredible how a painting can bring back so much. What about you? Do sunflowers remind you of something or someone special? I'd love to hear your stories. If this painting brought a little sunshine into your day, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite flower or a memory tied to it. Let's spread the light, just like these sunflowers do.